Hello and welcome to this short tutorial video on how to use the Harrier Auto Referral Dealership Portal system. The first thing we will do is open an internet browser of our choice and type in the URL www.autoreferral.com.au/login. You will also be able to locate the URL address in the video description below. You would have been provided a username and password, and you can use these now to log into the Auto Referral portal. Once you have logged in, you will see your dashboard. On the left-hand side of the page, you will find various tabs for navigating the site. Next, click the button that says Add EGift Referral. Proceed to fill in all the new customer details within the appropriate fields. You can either add a new salesperson or search for an existing salesperson within the Auto Referral database. Once all fields have been filled, click Next. Now fill in all the referrer details within the appropriate fields. You can also use the search function if you prefer. Once all fields have been filled, click Next. Be sure to check over all of the details on the confirmation page, and if a field is wrong, then click the back button to amend the information. When all of the details are correct, you may proceed by clicking the Next button until you arrive at the confirmation page. Then, complete the process by clicking Confirm. You will now land on the customer list page, and the customer that you have just created will appear at the very top of the list. Next, we will look at the EGift Orders page, where you can view the status of any of your e-gifts. By clicking on the three dots on the right-hand side of the screen, we can expand the view to see more information about the e-gift. By clicking on the eye icon, we can view the EGift order transactional history. That will conclude this introductory video for the Auto Referral portal. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or problems, please let us know and our helpful team will offer you assistance. Thank you.